This image right now would have a boomer in an absolute fucking chokehold. I dedicate this right here. This is for Daryl. He's a piece of shit. Now the good news is the carport has not collapsed. We have two things we need to do today. We need to start the cars. I need to brush off some of the snow off the top of the carport. And we need to check on the hot tub. Oh, we're cooking. Ooh, you're gonna scratch the paint. Ooh. Shut the fuck up. Hopefully this thing starts. Oh, baby. It's all the way up to the door seal. That's tight. So I can confirm the Toyota Serra does start, so we do not need to start it up.